model, 2012 Ford Transit 2.4 rear-wheel drive body, white, panel van mileage, 197217 MOT, the 21st of March 2024 engine, 2401 cc TDCI 115 PS DURATORQ-C transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. Needs injector number 1, replacing. Engines is fine, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is below average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows EU status, Euro 4 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.